welcome to the Mischief. I'm the Crafty Rat. Right, third time lucky for this introduction. Fingers crossed it works this time. Right, so this video is part of lovely Lula's 13 Days of Halloween. Lula is Nerd Goblin Art. There will be a playlist linked below for the collaboration and Lula. She's amazing, as is everyone else who's taking part in this collaboration. So the aim is to do 13 videos across 13-day period. Doesn't have to be resin. In fact, keep watching my videos. This might be it, this might be not. I'm lazy, so just a bit of a preface. This is the same introduction that's going to be for every single video, so I'm going to keep it short, or try to. 11 of the videos are resin, one's eco-pour, and one's painting. I don't know which videos today, you'll just have to wait and see. Right, so as I said, 13 Days of Halloween, playlist linked below. This video, again, because I'm lazy, is video number, Chris to insert the number about here. Woohoo! Right, and I will get straight into the videos. Hope you enjoy. Hello, welcome to the Mischief. I'm the Crafty Rat. Okay, so I've got a busy night. It's Tuesday night, evening, late. Like leaving these until late on at night. I don't know why. So this is, as you'll have probably seen, is one of the 13 Days of Halloween that Lula's, the collaboration that Lula's organising. Now, this mould, I will get it out. If necessary, I'll get Chris to mute the camera because this might be a bit loud, so just bear with me. Right, so this mould is an owl with a skull. So Chris actually got me this for our wedding anniversary, end of July. It's only September now. And it comes, yeah, guessing that goes in there, yeah, it comes with a stand. So, and I've got bits on it already. Okay, where's the sellotape? Oh, I will just clean it up with this. Right, so what I'm planning on doing with this one is straightforward painting the skull. Now I'm doing the skull in holographic chameleon mica from Toonpish Crafts. That's Wendy, and these are Tiny Turner ones. And this is the green mauve, however you pronounce it. So I'm going to be burnishing the skull with this. And then I'm going to have a bit of a play. Now, so as I said, this is Tuesday. I watched a video yesterday in my time. But yes, Ella's just poked her head around the door and said shock. So this one's quite early for me. Again, shock, yeah. But yesterday, I'll get Chris to link it as well, along with the collaboration playlist. But Lula had a video where she did this technique. Why are you nicking one of my sticks?
I'm waving.
Hello.
Okay.
Right. Okay. Oh, my turn. Okay, you gotta wave hello. No. Hello.
Wait, is it on there?
Yeah. Hi. Okay, love you, darling.
Love you.
Right, where was I?
I don't know.
Bye.
Bye.
Monkeys. Right, so yeah, painting that. And then my time, it's what, 23rd today? So it'll be the 22nd. It says, yeah. Okay, I'll get Chris to link it. Lula did a technique and I figured, not done it before, I have seen it. It does give me a little bit of, I'm Yorkshire, what can I say? I'm tight-fisted. So the idea of just flicking stuff all over the place, doing a little dance. Yeah, the idea of flicking stuff all over the place, it freaks me out a bit, but I'm going to do it. So that's going to be the purpley green. Now, I'm going to be flicking on. I'm sorry, I'm in a dancing mood tonight. These two colours. So it's ruby red and coffee. Now, just a note on this. The day I'm actually doing this, my video was out, like, I had a leaf video that was out about an hour ago. And throughout the whole thing, I kept saying this was gold. It's not. It's coffee. So these are two of the same colours that I used in that, but they're autumn colours, so, you know. They're already out is my excuse. Saves me having to mess around and find new colours. Because me being me, not only is it late on a Tuesday night, I'm doing 2 projects. Just because. Right, so I am going to do this so you'll be listening to Chris's music. Now, he'll probably cut out a lot of the burnishing of this, which is fair enough. But I'll get into possibly... yeah, I'm just going to show up. Waffle mode disengaged. Right, I'll leave you to Chris's music and let's see what he does with the editing. Okay.
The crafty rat's here, hiding from view. The shadows stretch wide, what will she do? The scary skull owl screams twit too, but she's got a plan, oh yes she does too. She will fix the scary night, turn that owl into a light. With a flick, a snap, a twist so neat, her clever paws, they can be beat. Her whiskers twitch, her eyes so sly. She grabs some stars from the darkened sky. A pinch of moon dust, a spider's thread. The owl glows now, no more dread. She will fix the scary night, turn that owl into a light. With a flick, a snap, a twist so neat, her clever paws, they can be beat. The skeleton trees bow down in awe. The bat-filled breeze begins to thaw. The crafty rat, she scurries away, laughing loud as night turns to day. She will fix the scary night, turn that owl into a light. With a flick, a snap, a twist so neat, her clever paws, they can be beat.
So just a break to Chris's music. Just realised I'm doing the colours all wrong. So, yeah. So I put the red down, and it was only when I was doing that when I think, no, that's the wrong colour. That's not what I wanted to use. So, I'm going to add a bit of orange in there because, I don't think I mentioned it previously, the backing of this one, with it being Halloween, I am going to use this Crate and Bloom Blackberry. Right, so I will let you get back to Chris's music whilst I'm using orange. Okay, back shortly.
The crafty rat's here, hiding from view. The shadows stretch wide, what will she do? The scary skull owl screams twit too, but she's got a plan, oh yes she does too. She will fix the scary night, turn that owl into a light. With a flip, a snap, a twist so neat, her clever paws, they can be beat. Her whiskers twitch, her eyes so sly. She grabs some stars from the darkened sky. A pinch of moon dust, a spider's thread. The owl glows now, no more dread. She will fix the scary night, turn that owl into a light. With a flick, a snap, a twist so neat, her clever paws, they can be beat. The skeleton trees bow down in awe. The bat-filled breeze begins to thaw. The crafty rat, she scurries away, laughing loud as night turns to day. She will fix the scary night, turn that owl into a light. With a flick, a snap, a twist so neat, her clever paws, they can be beat.
Right, so it is time to get these demolded. I probably really should debubble the back of these a bit more than what I actually do, but you know, it is what it is. It's the back, we can't see. Right, so it is Thursday morning. The house is quiet. I've literally just climbed out of bed. The kids are at school, and it's time to get these out. Okay, so this one is the first ever time I've actually done this. So let's see what the base bit looks like. Oh, that's cool. It looks like a bit of a starburst. So that's the base for this. The question is, if it looks all right when I get it out, is whether or not the base will fit in. So, you know, we'll see. Do you have a candle? Oh. Chris has just walked in.
I have a big one.
Yeah, that one works. That's what I warned about. Right. Ooh, I'm a bit nervous now. Don't know why. Let's have a look. Oh, that's kind of cool. I like that. Probably should have gone with a different colour than the purple, especially with this, but I actually quite like it.
That's cool, isn't it? Does it fit?
Does it fit? No. Hang on. Let's move this. Oh, yes, it does. Oh my god. Ooh. Right, so got these fake candles because never use an actual candle with resin.
With the lights.
Yeah, you can do. Oh. This is really cool. Oh, that's just freaky. Just put main light back on, hon. That's kind of freaky. Right, you can put all lights back on now. Oh, I like that. That's turned out really well. So we're all critical of our own work. I'm really liking this. I know it costs a bit more, but I'm really liking this holographic chameleon. Tiny Turner Toonpish. So there is a slight defect in the mould. I did notice that before I poured it, but I'm not too worried about that. Right. So this has worked. I'm kind of chuffed with that. Could probably use a bit more. I've got quite a lot of orange, but then again, orange, purple, Halloween. Yeah. Right. Let me know what you guys think. I'd really appreciate it. Please like and comment below. That would mean a lot to me. If you're not subscribed, please do so. It is free. Yeah. And as I mentioned earlier, go check out all the other... I know there's going to be a lot of videos, but go check them out. They are amazing artists and do amazing things. Right, so that's going to be it for this one. So I will catch you for the next video. Bye, guys.
In a little shed by the railroad track, she's turning nothing into something that lasts. Resin pours like a flowing dream under the glow of a dim kerosene. Glitter jars and colors so stark shimmer like stars in the deep dark park. Her hands stained with the art she weaves, a touch of magic in the things she